Welcome to the world of AI engineering. If you're just starting your journey in this exciting field, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through an essential roadmap to help you build a solid foundation in AI and set you up for success in this rapidly growing field. Understanding the basics of AI. So what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition, like problem solving, learning, and decision-making. AI comes in two major forms: narrow AI, which is designed to handle specific tasks, and general AI, which is still a theoretical concept with the ability to perform any intellectual task a human can. AI is everywhere, from healthcare, finance, and transportation to entertainment and customer service. It's transforming industries by automating process and making intelligent decisions. Prerequisite knowledge. Before diving into AI, you'll need to master a few key areas: mathematics, programming, and data handling. In AI, mathematics is your best friend. Linear algebra helps with data representation. Calculus assists in understanding changes in data, and probability and statistics are vital for building models and making predictions. Python is the primary language in AI development. Learn libraries like NumPy, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib for visualizations. Understanding data is crucial. Learn how to clean, pre-process, and manipulate data. Basic knowledge of SQL for managing databases is also helpful. Core AI concepts. Next, dive into machine learning, ML. ML helps computers learn from data. You'll start with supervised learning, where you teach the model using labeled data, followed by unsupervised learning, which deals with data without labels. And finally, reinforcement learning, where agents learn by interacting with their environment. Deep learning is a subset of ML, where neural networks simulate human brain processes. Learn about convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image processing, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for sequence data like text and time series. NLP helps machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. It powers technologies like chatbots, text summarization, and language translation. Tools and frameworks. To build AI models, you'll need some powerful tools. Start with Jupyter Notebooks for interactive coding, and IDEs like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code for writing code. For deep learning, use TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. Scikit-learn is great for traditional machine learning algorithms. Practical applications. Apply your knowledge by building real projects. Try creating an image classification model using CNNs, perform sentiment analysis on social media data, or build a recommendation system. Participate in Kaggle competitions to get hands-on experience or contribute to open-source AI projects to improve your skills. Continuous learning. AI is constantly evolving, so staying updated is essential. Take online courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity. Also, follow AI research papers and engage with AI communities to keep your knowledge fresh. To conclude, AI engineering is an exciting and rewarding career, but it requires dedication and continuous learning. By following this roadmap, you'll be well on your way to mastering the skills needed to succeed in the world of AI. If you found this roadmap helpful, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI and technology.